Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is solving a compound inequality involving OR. So in this game we have two inequalities. We have our 2x minus 10 is less than negative 14, or our negative 3x plus 2 is less than 10. So in order to do this, we're going to have to solve both inequalities separately, and then we can put it together at the end, see how it works. So what I like to do is I usually push a dashed line here and here, covering the inequalities, and we're going to solve each one. So if we start with the left side, we have 2x minus 10 is less than negative 14. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move the constant, which is add 10 to both sides. Negative 10 plus 10 would give you 0, leaving it just with 2x on this side, which is less than negative 4 negative 14 plus 10 would be negative 4. I was trying to give you the answer before I did anything else. And then the last step, we have 2 multiplying x, so the opposite operation of multiply would be divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. Leaving us just with x on this side is less than negative 2. So we didn't switch the sign here because we divided by a 2, not a negative. Even though we got a negative here, we do not switch the sign there. Alright, let's move on to this side. This side we have negative 3x plus 2 is less than 10. So on this side, what we're going to do is we're going to add our 2 to both sides, subtract. The opposite operation, which is add 2, would be subtract 2 to both sides. That will simplify this out here because 2 minus 2 is 0. Leaves us just with negative 3x on this side, less than 8. Then what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by negative 3. And simplify this here. This would be, they divide to 1, so x is less than, you got to be careful because since we divided by a negative number, we got to switch the sign. So now it's greater than, and we would have a negative 8 divided by 3. So our OR inequality now would be x is less than negative 2, or x is greater than negative 8 divided by 3.